Labor is the single biggest place where willing homeowners can safely save money during budget-friendly home construction if they pick the right do-it-yourself tasks. For interior painting, buy quality primer and paint, then prep carefully by cleaning walls, filling nail holes with spackle, sanding smooth, and taping edges with painter's tape pressed down firmly with a putty knife. Use a short-handled angled brush to cut in along ceilings, trim, and corners, then a roller with a medium nap for most walls, keeping a wet edge so you do not see lap lines. When you install interior trim, measure twice, mark lightly, and cut with a simple miter saw, then pre-paint or pre-stain the pieces before nailing so you are only touching up nail holes later. For click-together flooring, open several boxes, mix boards so patterns look random, and leave a small gap at walls using spacers so the floor can expand without buckling. Ready-to-assemble cabinets are very do-it-yourself friendly. If you work on a large flat surface, follow the instructions step by step and use clamps or a helper to hold boxes square while you tighten fasteners. For small landscaping areas, focus on a few simple tasks like spreading mulch, planting shrubs at the same depth as the nursery pot, and setting pavers on compacted, level sand you check with a straight board and a small level. One common mistake is taking on structural demolition without checking permits or what is inside the wall, which can hit hidden wiring or pipes. So always limit yourself to non-load-bearing finishes, and when in doubt, ask your local building office or a licensed contractor. Another big issue is skipping dust control and cleanup planning, which creates a huge mess and safety hazards. So seal off work areas with plastic, use a shop vacuum with a good filter, and bag debris as you go instead of waiting until the end. People also rush layout for trim, flooring, or pavers and then live with crooked lines forever. So slow down at the start, snap chalk lines, dry lay the first few pieces, and only start fastening once you like how it looks. We built bighomeprojects.com to make it easier for homeowners doing budget-friendly construction to find local contractors for the parts they should not handle alone, like electrical, structural work, or complex plumbing. On our site, contractors can list their services and connect with ready-to-hire homeowners. And we also host a discussion community where all of us swap project tips, share experiences, and learn how to work together on cost-saving projects that still respect safety and quality.